Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm building internal business systems in Excel VBA. This is a client management system I recently built. A full CRM running entirely inside Excel. Let me show you. Every client status is visible instantly, active, lead, or inactive, with live KPIs on total clients, open services, and emails sent this month. No digging through spreadsheets rows to find what's overdue. We can click on each client and see the attached services on the right. We'll click in on the services and see the services status instantly. One search bar searches across clients, services, tasks, and notes at once. Setter gives a live view of everything overdue, due today, or in progress across the entire client base, not just one record at a time. We also have a planning center. Here's a full visual calendar for scheduling, color code by activity type. We also have a document module that generates proposal, onboarding files, client summaries automatically. Let me show you here. We select onboarding as a type document and select a client and her services. Then we have folder down here and we generate document. We can open folder here and see the client's company folder, Nova Agency, has been generated. We'll click into the folder and see a Word document and a PDF document of the onboarding document. All the placeholders have been replaced with the actual data, and we can send the onboarding document by one-click email that opens up an email template that also fills in placeholders with the correct details with document attachment. We click send and the email draft has been created with the email text from our template and the document attached. We can close this down. And the email KPI, email sent this month, instantly updates from 7 to 8. This is just one example of a system I built. CRMs, invoicing, inventory, operation dashboards, all built to replace manual work and subscription software. If you're dealing with something similar, send me a message and let's have a talk.